Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is US based insurance. The US based insurance is health insurance. Now we discuss US based health insurance work. Healthcare in the United States that can be a very expensive. A single doctor's office visit might cost several $100 and an average 3 days hospital stay can be run tens of thousands and dollars or even more depending on the type of care provided. Most of the could not be afforded to pay a such larger sums if we seek and get, especially since we don't have to know when you might it become and will be have to injured, how much care we have to might it to need. Health insurance offers to weigh are reduced for your cost and responsible for amount. They have to weigh and it is typically works with their consumers, pays and its upfront premiums that are health insurance company and the payment allows to you share risk with a lot of other peoples that are enrolled peers and who are make similar payment. Since most of people are healthy most of time, the premium dollars paid the insurance company can be used for covered and expenses for the relatively small numbers for enrolled and who get sick for an injured. Insurance companies you can be have to can imagine how to study it and risky extensively. There are the goal of collected enough premium and cover to medical cost of their enrolls. There are many different types of health insurance plans in the US and many different rules are arrangement regarding to care. Following are three important questions about should ask when you have to making a decision about health insurance that will be work for you. One is, where can I receive care? One, you have to weigh your health insurance plan control. Their cost is influence cases of providers. Providers include physicians, hospital, laboratories, pharmacies and other entities. Many insurance companies contact with a specified network or to provide and agree to supply a services to plan enrollment at more favorable pricing. If the provider is not in the plans of network, the insurance company may not be pay for services or maybe pay for a smaller portion. Then it would be have to network care and means that you enroll who goes to outside and network to care maybe have to require to pay a much higher sharing and cost. This is one of important thing that you concept to understanding and especially when you have to originally form of local Stanford area. If you have a plan throughout a parent, for example, not and the plans of network in your hometown, you may be not be able to get your care for your need and Stanford area, or you maybe have to in culture for much higher cost and get to cares. What does the plan cover? One of the things that healthcare reforms for and done in the US under the Affordable Care Act is to introduce most of standardized of insurance plan benefit before such as standardization. The benefit offered the variety of distractive form of plan and for example some of plans cover to prescriptions, other did not. Now, plan is the US is required for offer a number of essential health benefit which is included emergency services, hospitalization, library and laboratory test, military and newborn care, mental health and substance of abuse treatment, outpatient care, doctor and other services you receive outside of hospital. Pediatric of services including dental and vision cares, prescription drugs, preventive services, elimination and manage for chronic disease, rehabilitation services for our international population of students and you might be considering coverage throughout a non-US based plan. Asking the questions what is important for plan and extremely important. The third question is how much will it cover? Understanding what is the insurance coverage cost that is actually quite complicated and its overview to talk about your paying and premium enroll to the plan. This is an up to front of cost that is transparent to you and unfortunately for most plans it is not only highest cost of associated with the care to receive. These are also typically cost when you access care. Such cost and captured is deductible cost insurance and pays for copays, differentiation, and pockets when you have to receive a care. A general rule of thumb that is more be have to payable premium upfront and less than you will be have to pay when you access care. The less you pay a premium in more and you will be have to pay when you access cares. The questions for